What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning in. This is the Corvette here, and we are at the Detail Garage Northeast location for their Rides and Coffee, and it's their evening meet from 7 to 9. So this is new. I've never been to this one before. I've always been to like the 11 o'clock one in the morning, but there's a lot of cars here, so I'm gonna try to get as many of them as I can. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. And I'll be bringing you as much videos as I can and keeping you all updated in my life. But let's go ahead and take a look at these cars, guys. All right, guys, check it out. So we have a 0304 Terminator Cobra black convertible, and you can see it's got the chrome all along the blower, the BB care intake, the chrome reservoirs for the coolant. It does have the powder coated black valve covers, but man, guys, I wish I had mine, and I will get another one eventually. I will, but this one is pretty clean. It's got the chrome SVT wheels right there. You can see them. Snake right there. And we'll go back to the side of the back. Sorry about the music. But there's the back right there. And you can kind of see, I like the red lettering right there. And there's another one over here too. It's a black one. Pretty clean. And you can see his has just the regular gray color instead of the chromed out look there. It does have the snout on it. Same the JLT ram air intake like the one that I had. Looks like he's got a ported throttle body there too, but that looks kind of more stockish other than the JLT ram air intake. But here's a shot of it. A little bit more rough condition, but that's okay. That can all be taken care of eventually. But that's the Cobra motor right there. Terminator motor. Both of them right here. Get a shot of them right there for you. Alright, guys, so we got the two Terminator Cobras over there. There's another 5 over here that's got some boost on it. A couple of C7 Vets going down that way. So let's go ahead. We're just going to take a quick look at this one over here. And it's got a big Paxton on the front, Boss 302 intake manifold. Right there, you can see it in there. That looks pretty clean though. All right, so we got the C7s over here. Here's my buddy's in his awesome wrapped one here. I'll get a shot of this one. Love the color, love the color. It always pops. That looks real nice. And then another one of my friends here is Black Grand Sport. Very clean, very clean, very clean. Always keeps it nice. There you go there. Let me get a shot of the back. Love the wide body. Wish mine had a wide body, but that's all right. We're still gonna make it work. And you can kind of see he's got the stripes right there. He's got the diffuser fins like mine. Black on black on black looks really good there. There's his again. And we got a pink one. So this is a female driven. You can see the pink on there, right there, and there, and the pink on there. So it's definitely showing there. And now we got some C8s, some really nice C8s. I like this white one. It's got the Lamborghini doors on it. We'll take a good look inside. And there's a back shot of the back. Get under here. You can kind of see it. Yeah. Look at that, guys. I didn't even see that until the owner just pointed it out, but that's insane right there. Man, yeah, you know this car is quick. Yeah, for sure. That car is quick. All right, guys, we're gonna just keep making it down. So we got the Cadillac there, and then there's yours, old reliable, looking all freshy fresh with the red. Cobra on the seats. Got some slingshots coming in. Oh guys, check it out. So we got a Supra over here. Looks clean. Look at this. Little shot of the interior. Big Wayne gang on the back, as you can see right there. Man, guys, look at that. That looks so nice. So nice. Whoa. All right, guys, we got another Challenger 392 coming in. Little Focus RS right there. Nice little highlighter. Toyota. Little BMW right next to it. And then we got a Corolla, boys. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Corolla. Moped. All right, guys, and we had to bring some old school muscle out here. Check out this. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that old school muscle. Look, black leather interior. It looks good for the year, man. Look at that.
Your content, bro?
Yep. Yep. Got a couple 5.0s right there. A couple more cars. Check out this Challenger, guys. 392 Hemi. I like the shaker hood on it. That looks pretty cool. And then the seats inside. I like that scheme. That looks pretty good there. I like this bullet. That's pretty clean. Clean bullet. This one. And another Cobra. I'm not sure if this one's a Terminator or not, but we have two more over there. Alright guys, so we got a line of the Mustangs over here. S550s, GT350, looking real clean. 5.0s, got your C8s. I hear something behind me, hang on. Oh, Fox body. 5.0, looks clean. And you got your row of Mustangs. We're at a Mustang dealership right now, guys. So many Mustangs. I like that red one right there, though. And we got a couple other stuff over here, guys. I like this blue color one, this Fox body. Looks pretty nice. Oh, boys, check out the Shelby Cobra. Look at this, 427. Man, look at that. Little side exit exhaust. Look at the 427 motor there. And the inside. And the rear. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that is clean. I love that. Look at this Mustang too. Look at the fat tires on that one. Woo! Alright guys, we got a couple more Fox bodies. I really like this gray one. All the red scheme in it. That looks nice. 5.0 swap. You know that thing's quick. And then you got another blue one over here. Kind of like the one we just saw a second ago. That's pretty nice. Blue scheme. And we have a nice Shelby GT500 right over here. It's the 05 to 09 model. See the snake on the side there. GT500. Here's a quick back shot of the Mustang Shelby. Kind of gets you a little side. Here's a back angle here. You can kind of see it all along the lines. No, it's okay. Subaru, guys. I spot a little Camaro SS, guys. I'm really liking the red there with the black. All that reminds me of mine. All right, guys. So we got a nice BMW right there, and then look, Godzilla himself, GTR, Nismo, and another Subaru BRZ. All right, guys. So we're over here on this other side, and there's trucks everywhere on this row. You can kind of see it. Oh, guys, I spot a Grand Sport, orange C6 Grand Sport right here. That looks clean. Here's a back shot of it, guys. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Looks real good. It's got the Grand Sport wheels on it. The little fender marks that distinguish it, makes it a Grand Sport. Got a nice 5.0 right over here. And look, a pug, a nice little pug right there. Guys, check out this classic Mustang. That looks so sick. Look at that. That is clean right there. And then you got a couple other trucks over here. Trying to get them in the shot for y'all. We're just gonna walk around. Supra. And then, oh boys, ZR1 C6 says LSX on the side there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You can see the LS9 right there through the hood. That is awesome. All right, guys, I just want to get you a back shot of these two cars, the Supra and the ZR1, just because it's insane. Look at that. Oh, I wish I had one of these. Incredible. Oh, guys, check it out. All right, guys, look at all these trucks. I've never seen so many trucks. I mean, look, they're everywhere. All right, guys, we got some fresh meat coming in. We got that 5.0 right there. Looks pretty cool. We got another one coming in. So we got more people coming in. Some more trucks. Oh, look, check it out. C6 Vets. He's here, he's here. Showing off the whip. And then his buddy here too, right there. They always roll together. But there it is. Look at that sun over there. But look at that, yeah. And we got another 5.0 coming in gray. Looks like a performance package, possibly based on the wheels. Not really sure. And then another old school BMW. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much the video. Tons of cars came out. It's a pretty good one. They should do these at night now because there's way more cars that show up versus the morning ones. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed it. There was a bunch of cars. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And this is the Corvette out, guys. Till the next video, peace.